Big, bold, and deeply unsettling. A video appears online, not in a movie trailer, not a drill announced, but a message, a warning that Iranian media releases. Well, the camera zooms in from the sky, runways, hangars, military infrastructure, and the location. The location was the Muwaffaq Salti Air Base in Jordan. Yes, a base under the United States and its ally. And then the images, it all appears. Fighter jets roar across the screen. In fact, target style visuals follow. No direct strike though, no official declaration, but the symbolism that was crystal clear. And it is not all. A report linked to Tehran Times claims that something even more dramatic is there. It says that 5,000 graves have been prepared outside Tehran. Prepared for American soldiers. Now pause here, this is rhetoric. This is messaging, this is psychological warfare. But words do matter, and images, they even matter more. Because this comes at a moment of rising tensions between Iran and Washington. Military moments are increasing, naval deployments are being watched closely. Air bases across the region are on high alert. And now this video? Well, at the very same time, another deployment unfolds quietly. Iran and Russia are preparing joint naval drill. And the location? The Sea of Oman and the northern Indian Ocean. Strategic waters, busy shipping lanes, energy corridors that power the global economy. So when two militaries train together, it sends a message far beyond the region. And yet, here's the contrast. While missiles dominate the headline, diplomats are still talking. Oman has once again stepped in as a mediator. Talks between American and Iranian officials have been taking place in Geneva. Quiet rooms, measured words, careful diplomacy here. Do you see the contrast here? On one side, there are graves, there are fighter jets, they are targeting visuals. On the other side, there is negotiation, mediation, dialogue. Two tracks running at the same time. One loud, one quiet. So, what is really happening here? Is this a genuine escalation or strategic signaling before a bargaining session? Because in geopolitics, perception is the power. Showing a base on screen does not mean launching a missile. Preparing naval drills does not mean declaring a war, but it does mean positioning. And the Muwaffaq Salti Air Base is not just any installation, it sits close to the flashpoint. It supports regional operation, it represents American presence in a very tense neighborhood. That makes it symbolic, by the way, and symbolism in conflict zone, it is never accidental. Now imagine the calculation on both the sides. Washington watches the video, Tehran watches the deployment, Moscow joins the exercise, and smaller regional states, they hold their breath. Because if a miscalculation happens, the consequences, it will not stay local. They will ripple through the oil market, through shipping lanes, through alliances. For now, there is no missile strike though. There is no declared war. There are only signals, warning, posturing, and a dangerous game of strategic messaging.